all the avocado haters and all the coleslaw haters, you can turn off right now because this is not going to be your cup of tea. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are making a simple coleslaw with no mayo whatsoever. We're still going to keep it creamy. So we're going to just proceed by slicing our onions and then putting them in some vinegar. If you already know from my salad videos, I always like to put my onions in some vinegar. And then for the cabbage as well, we're just going to make sure that we remove the core, and then we're going to slice our cabbage. We are also going to use some carrots, and the carrots we're just going to simply grate them and then set that to the side. We're also going to add some radish and we're going to grate that. Now the purple cabbage tends to bleed a lot, so what I usually do is to put it in a bit of water, and I find that it takes away some of the color so that when you mix it, it just doesn't totally turn your coleslaw purple. Once we've soaked the purple cabbage in water, we're going to want to take it out and then make sure it dries because we don't want a soggy coleslaw. Already when you add up the dressing, it's going to become a bit softer. So for as long as we can avoid it getting very soft, we're going to do that. To make our coleslaw a bit creamy, we're going to be using avocado. Now to make our dressing, so to speak, for our coleslaw, we are going to be using some avocado, some balsamic vinegar. You can use clear vinegar, malt vinegar, apple cider vinegar, whatever vinegar you have available. And then to that, we're going to add some olive oil, some onion powder, some salt, and a splash of lemon just to brighten things up. So now that we've got all our ingredients together, our avocado mixture is also ready. All we're going to do now is just to mix everything, and that is it basically all done. Make sure that your avocado cream is seasoned very well. And so there you have it, a beautiful looking, colorful vegan coleslaw. Goes well with grilled meat or anything that you typically have a regular coleslaw with. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Happy eating!